Welcome to our Microsoft Excel trainings. By using conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel, we can easily see the highest 5 and 10 values in our tables. It is possible to see this as a percentage value such as 5%, 10%, or as a maximum number. Let's do this in our table. For example, let's sort by date. The amounts are corrupt. Look, there are no values in our amount presentation. Now, I click on the first 3D in the amounts and select this region with Ctrl-Shift-Down arrow with the down arrow from the keyboard and click on the top bottom rules in the Conditional Formatting in the Home tab on the Home tab, that is top 10 item, top 10% from the first last rules. By using options such as first 10 values, 10% value, last 10 values, last 10%, or above average, below average, we can easily show the highest 5 values in your tables as 10 values or the lowest 5 values as 10 values. Let's do it this way. Let's show, for example, the 5 highest values in our table in a different color. Let's show the lowest 5 values in a different color. Look for this. After selecting the area where the numbers are located, we find the top button from the Conditional Format. From here we select the phrase top 10 item. This means the 10 highest values. Lower the value of 10 here to 5, and choose red, for example, from the formatting options on the side. Even if you want, let's do it like this. Let's call it the muscular format. And thick. And let's make it red. It is red and thick. In text size if you want. Look from here, we can't change it. No, we said, okay, the 5 highest values were red. Now, without changing our spacing, let's make the lowest 5 values a different color this time. Similarly, we select bottom on items from top bottom rules in Conditional Formatting. Let's choose 5 from here. If you want to apply a different formatting from here again, you can also choose from these, not green or frame format again. From here, for example, let's make this green, make it thick, let's make it bold. When you click OK, the highest 5 values in your table appear in red and the lowest 5 values appear in green. This is a very nice feature. It is a feature we use in sales reports. It is a feature we also use in tables. If you have 10 sales, it is a nice feature to see the highest 5, lowest 5, etc. Options from here. If you wish, it is possible to hide or show values above the general average value in the table. Let's remove our conditional formatting. Let's clear the rules from the entire page from Conditional Formatting and Clear Rules. I select the region where the numbers are again, and since we collect the connects from the formative, this time we choose above average options such as above or below. You can choose what you want. Now we select the value above the average, and from here in the custom format section, for example, let's make the values above the average blue and bold. Let's say OK. OK. Similarly, we select below from the top button master again. It means values below average. I'm going to custom format again. Let's choose a different fill color for these using the fill option. We call these places that are below average. We say OK, and when we say OK again, look at our average in our table, which is this number. Let's select this region like this. Our average is 40676. Those above this are in blue. You will see that the ones below this have a green background color. In this way, it is possible to see and use options such as first 10 values, first 5 values, above average, below average or 10%, first and last 10%, etc. by using the bold syncing properties of condition formatting.